What we have in court will remain in court. We will do that in court. And I'm not going to dwell on the issues that is the substance of my case. I just want to state clear and for the record that when I talked to the president, I wish to state to every Kenyan to know clearly that I was talking to the President of the Republic of Kenya. And in my speech, I never equated the President to belong to any tribe. The President is the President of the Republic of Kenya. The Deputy President is the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. When you hold such positions, you cease to be or to belong to any community in this country. So when I was addressing the President, I was addressing the President as the President of the Republic of Kenya. And what I said is that I expected the President, since he swore to abide by the Constitution, to protect the Constitution of this country, I was only requesting the President to follow the rule of law, to respect the Constitution, and before even we speak about amending the Constitution, we are expecting the President to follow the current Constitution to the latter by bringing the country together, by respecting all the constitutional offices, right from the executive to the judiciary to the legislature. Every institution, every arm of government must be respected. And that is what I meant. What I want to say is that the President must not be seen to be breaking the law. The President must not be seen to be misleading the nation by dividing the country. When they talk about BBI, the BBI was meant to bring the nation together. But what is happening now? The country is sliding into differences. People are moving in different directions. So I want to say that my call was that the President must respect the Constitution. If he expects us to respect the Constitution, the President must be a good example. He must lead the way in making us respect the Constitution. That was my point, and I will stand by that. I will repeat what I said now, I will repeat tomorrow, I will repeat forever.